Hi, this is Sarah with athriftymom.com, and today I'm going to share an easy way to have a nice breakfast when you're camping. It's a make-ahead burrito, so I went ahead and scrambled some eggs, and then I cooked some sausage and some potatoes together. And then I assembled them on a tortilla with the potatoes, sausage, scrambled eggs, and cheese. I wrapped them into a nice breakfast burrito, and then I wrapped them in a good layer of foil, and we'll be able to just throw those on the fire in the morning and heat them up for a nice, easy, warm breakfast while we're camping. I hope you enjoy this tip. If you'd like more easy tips, make sure you follow us at athriftymom.com.